Hello guys, I woke up inspired today and I'm going to post a couple of videos. And now I would like to talk about people that complain that their hair systems don't last. You can have a couple of reasons for that. Your hair system might be not of a good quality, or most probably you are doing the wrong thing when your head itches and you scratch it. So basically what happens is, no matter what base you're using, if you're using skin, or if you're using lace, or if you're using any other combination of base material, what you want to avoid is to scratch it with your fingernails like that. What happens when you do it is you are actually breaking the actual knot in there. It's going to be difficult for me to show you in a macro how it works, but if you look very closely, especially if you have a lace system, you look through the light and you see it through, and you're going to see that there's thousands of little dots, and because the hair is knotted to itself onto the base, what you want to avoid is to scratch it like that with your fingernails, or some people use a comb or something to scratch it, but you should never do this. I just had a client just now, and he was asking me, how's my hair system? It's only been a month and a half since I'm wearing it. I said, well, the system's perfect. But when I looked inside, I saw there was a dot in the system that the lace was kind of deteriorating a little bit. And I asked him, where do you feel that it itches more? And he said, here. And this is exactly where the piece was going to. And that was the bit of the base that the hair was coming off already. So if you're having a problem with your piece that is not lasting, so pay attention to how you're dealing with your piece. I think you probably might be scratching it maybe on your sleep. You might not be aware of it. But most of the cases when people come to me and when they buy hair either from me or they buy hair from somewhere else and they come just to have it fitted, is it's always a very similar problem. Okay, so avoid scratching. If you want to, if you really can't resist, what I do, I go with my fingernail, but I just go like that rather than scratching. Or I can use something, just touch it there lightly. My systems normally last me good 6 months, can last me even more, but I'm quite fussy when it comes to having new hair that is more bouncy. You know, as the hair system starts to get a bit older, the hair gets a bit drier. So I have at least dozens of systems that are perfectly wearable. I just don't wear them because I like my hair to be super fresh and look good all the time. I hope that has helped you to make your hair system last a bit longer. And if you have any doubts, you can leave a comment and I will try and reply to it as soon as possible. Okay? Thank you so much for watching once more. And I would like to invite you again to come and visit my salon here in Angel. You will find the telephone number, Instagram page and everything else. Central London on the Northern Line, very easy to access. Give me a call and I can maybe give you some sort of advice. You can have a quick consultation. It's free of charge. Thank you so much for watching once more, guys. Thank you.